So guys, I'm going to show you how to do your first trick. So you will do this trick, and you will do up, right, down, right, and you will repeat that until you solve it. But if you're an expert at Rubik's Cubes, you can do this. But I can't really turn this fast. It's a Rubik's brand. It doesn't have any magnets, so I can't really turn it fast. But I have one 3x3 speed cube, but I may get another speed cube when it's my birthday. But or if I forgot, but guys, if you master it, then you can do this. Yep, that's the first trick. But guys, thanks for watching. Bye bye.